watch, the Nike edition. So let's get into it. Here's the box. Take this off. There is so it's turning on now. I just plugged in the charge, so let's wait for it to turn on and see what happens. So now it's giving me the option to make it quicker setup with an iPhone, so I'm going to put my iPhone nearby. Now it's asking me if I want to pair the two, so I'm going to go ahead and pair them. So now they've been paired, and now just gotta finish setting it up now. We're just waiting for now to finish completely setting up. So far, it fits good. Right now it's just syncing to my phone now. It's almost there. And it has like a bunch of basic settings you can go through right now. But yeah, this is a Series 3 42mm Apple Watch. Here's what it looks like all set up. Here's the face of it. All the little apps that Nike comes with.